In this video, I'm going to show you how to track mileage in QuickBooks Online. So you actually have two options to do this. The first option would be automatic tracking using a mobile app. So you can just basically download the QuickBooks mobile app on your iOS or Android device. And then from there, when you basically log in with your credentials, you'll be able to see miles or mileage menu. And in there, you'll be able to basically track mileage, okay? That's the first way to do it. However, if you want the manual entry, you can do this here on the web dashboard. So go to the left here, all apps, and then here you have expenses and bills, and you want to click on mileage. Now, for the first time you do this, you're going to see this over here, where of course it tells you more about the option you have. So you can just scan this and basically get the QuickBooks mobile app to be able to do that. I'm just going to click on skip for now, and I'm going to click on add trip here at the top right. Now, when you do this, you want to add in your trip date and then the distance as well over here. Then you have to add in the start point, end point, etc., and of course the business purpose over here. And then of course, whenever you select all of this, you'll be able to click on the save button, and that way you've successfully basically tracked mileage. Okay, so that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.